welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to cook something delicious. It's going to be a take on a previous recipe, but take it to the next level. Last week I made rutabaga, apple, and potato mash, which was out of this world fantastic. Crazy good. But over the week as I ate it, I started to think about other ways I could jazz it up. And today we're making a smoked ham, bacon, and rutabaga casserole. Now, you know how I've made the mash. I'm not going to show you how to make it again. I'm going to leave the link to how I made it in a card above and on a link below. Originally, I wanted to use country ham in this recipe, but you know what? I couldn't find any anywhere. So we settled for some Frick's Hickory smoked ham, which should be almost as good. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Now the first thing we need to do is fry the bacon up until it's nice and crispy. That's a big package of ends and pieces, 3 pounds. So we're going to have to do it in iterations. And as we take it out, we're going to put it in a bowl to cool. Alright, so I've got the rutabaga mash all made up. And here what I did is I diced up the entire 2 pounds of Frick's ham. Now Frick's gourmet ham is awesome. It's from an outfit out here in Washington, Missouri. Beautiful stuff. I'll leave the link to them below if I can find it. And for now, I'm going to add, let's say half of it. And mix it up and see what it looks like. You know what? Doesn't have as much ham as I wanted. I'm going to make this obscenely delicious. In go the full 2 pounds. Alright, so now I'm going to stir them up nicely. Alright, what we have here is a 9x13 Pyrex that I've shot with Pam. And now we're going to layer this stuff in there nicely and spread it all out. Alright, so there we go. Now comes the pièce de résistance. Yes, remember all that bacon? Let it cool, then chopped it all up. And now we're going to sprinkle it generously all over the top, like this. Okay, that looked good. 3 pounds now. Brown sugar. Oh yeah. Okay, so once we got that on there, it's going to go into a preheated 375-degree oven. I don't know for how long until it looks right. I'll let you know when we come back. And how's that? Piping hot out of the oven. 30 minutes at 375 degrees. And boy, that is looking and smelling fantastic. All right, here you have it. Deliciousness on a plate. Let's give it a try. Ooh, steaming hot. Oh. Wow. That's a meal in one. Thanks for watching, people.